Hello, creative people. When I was recommended the Bobbie Goods coloring book, I was torn. Is it as therapeutic as it promises? Here we have the seal of originality of the book. On the back of the book we have the seal of the printing company that prints this edition. Look at this beautiful cover. It's very colorful and cute. On the last page it says that it is printed on 120-gram paper and has a cover in 250-gram cardstock. When I opened the book, it reminded me a little of the cover of Johanna Basford's books with drawings on the back cover and a place to write your name. This is the checklist page. The drawings are with very simple lines. For those who like a challenge, it may lack a little variety. Now, the dirty secret. What others don't tell you. Some pages are almost identical. This can be great for those who love patterns or boring for those who want variety. If you've already purchased the Bobbie Goods coloring book, keep these tips in mind. Use drying paper when coloring with markers to avoid smudges. The paper in this book doesn't support markers and bleeds through. Preferably color with colored pencils or dry pastels. Customize simple pages with your own details. This is the material test sheet. It's actually pretty. If you want an affordable book to relax with colored pencils, yes, it's worth it. But if you're looking for professional paper or love markers, stay away from this book. Now tell me, are you up for the challenge of coloring this book? Or would you prefer another book? Comment below. Thank you for watching the video until the end.
Enjoy! They are still free for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers.